Welcome to this hypnosis to permanently stop nighttime teeth grinding with me, Joel Marks. Only listen to this recording if you're able to sit or lie down somewhere quiet and safe, somewhere you feel comfortable becoming deeply relaxed. You can always move while you're listening to make yourself comfortable. And you might already know that hypnosis works best when it is repeated daily for a week or two, or for as long as you need. And if you need to end a session at any point, you can just give yourself the command, "Wake up now." You will remain in complete control of your own mental state. And now I would like you to make yourself comfortable, giving yourself space and time to ensure that your body is in the right position to become deeply relaxed. You might put a cushion behind your back to support an upright posture, or arrange a pillow for your neck if you are lying down. During this relaxing journey, you will reconnect to a peaceful state of being, a state of body and mind that you are already familiar with. A state of relaxation which in your day-to-day life you might sometimes lose touch with, but that you will be able to remember now and learn to reconnect with at any time. You may have already heard it said that hypnosis is a relaxed state of focused attention in which you can learn only those things which you already want to learn. So, to start, I would like you to take some deep breaths to calm your body and mind. When breathing in, take a deep, steady breath, and then just relax your chest and let the air come out at its own pace. Ready? Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and sighing out, relaxing the chest. And again breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and sighing out, just letting the air release. And one last time, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, and sighing out. Now letting your breath settle back into a natural rhythm, just allowing yourself to rest, allowing your body to set its own pace. As you listen to the sound of my voice, you may allow your eyes to close, and at a time that is right for you, when you close your eyes, you may notice sounds around you or sensations in your body, and you might find that in some strange way, these sounds might become a cue for you to become even more relaxed. And now, as you close your eyes, in just a moment, I'm going to count from 10 to 1. And with each number I count, you are going to feel 1/10 more relaxed, 10% more relaxed, and with each descending number, will help you go into that wonderful feeling of relaxation. A light hypnotic state that will, as I count down, become deeper and deeper as we go on. And as you listen to my voice, it will go with you, and you may experience a feeling of lightness as you continue to go into that comfortable and familiar state of relaxation. You might find that your body feels as if it is floating. With each descending number, you are able to float free of any concerns you have brought with you. And this feeling of lightness in your body and in your mind, as you go deeper and ever more relaxed. So ready. 10, 9, and deeper and deeper. 8, 7, 6, floating free. 5, 4, and even deeper. 3, 2, 1, and all the way deeply relaxed. You may hear me say the word now, and when you hear me say the word now, all the unnecessary nervous tension is going to go out of your body. A warm sensation may spread through your chest. This feeling of comfortable relaxation spreading through your body, down to your fingertips, and all the way down to your toes. And now, every muscle is relaxed, and you may notice that you are experiencing a feeling of lightness, feeling almost weightless, so much so that you might not even be aware of your body. And now, your subconscious mind can let go and drift to a special place inside of yourself as I speak to your unconscious mind. And as you relax, you may start to imagine how, at some point in the future, perhaps it will be tomorrow, or perhaps just a few days, you are noticing how your jaw and your face are feeling relaxed in the morning. In fact, you may not even notice how relaxed you feel, as your mind is peaceful and more present, alert and calm in each moment. And now, allowing the eyes to feel soft, releasing any strain, any sense of reaching, just letting that go, feeling a sense of ease in the eyes. And after a moment, you might find this feeling of ease might extend to your eyelids and the muscles around your eyes, allowing this comfortable feeling of relaxation to spread at its own pace. And it may move into the area around your eyebrows and in between them, feeling any lines begin to ease. You might even feel a warm sensation starting to spread, spreading up into your forehead, into the skin and the muscles of your face as they relax. And you might pay attention now to the muscles under the eyes, allowing the body to release at its own pace. your focus now moving to the lips and the area around your nose. Perhaps noticing how your lips press gently to each other, noticing the edges of your mouth and into your smile, letting go, releasing into that spacious feeling of calm. And beyond your smile into your cheeks, that warm feeling spreading as your cheeks relax. Taking a moment now to allow your cheeks to feel deeply relaxed. You might even feel your jaw easing a little, a warmth there and a lightness too, a feeling of ease and comfort. Focusing now on the muscles in your jaw, where it meets that part of your cheek beside your ear, paying gentle, feeling that warm relaxation spreading through the jaw and deep into the muscles as your jaw becomes slacker now. Perhaps this feeling of warmth moving into the bone, maybe into the chin. This deep sense of ease and release, because you know that you are already prepared for anything the future might hold. You have the resources and the wisdom to allow flow to happen without forcing, and with a deeply held confidence, feeling that sense of calm, that feeling of warm relaxation spreading as you allow your body to release and move with its natural rhythm, allowing you to enjoy this feeling of lightness. Taking a moment now to refocus on the breath, the sensation of air in your nose, the cool sensation in your throat, and maybe noticing how to the body it feels so natural to relax on each out-breath, breathing in to refresh the body and breathing out to release. Allowing this process to happen so naturally, you might focus your attention now on the back of your head, at the top of your neck, asking your body to relax the muscles there in your own time, breathing into your neck and breathing out into this feeling of comfort. You may notice your muscles there starting to feel warm, that relaxing warmth starting at the base of your head and moving down into those deep muscles in your neck, a feeling of comfortable relaxation starting to spread downwards, allowing a process of relaxation and release to move through them. And you may even notice a feeling of lightness, a feeling of weightlessness entering your body, entering the muscles around your neck and into your shoulders, a lightness that comes in with each new breath. Focusing your attention now on the whole upper part of your neck, the muscles under the ears, down the side of your neck, and into your upper shoulders, feeling the relaxation spread there, releasing any unspent energy as you allow this feeling of warm relaxation to enter deeply into the neck. And you might imagine any unspent energy leaving your body, leaving your neck on an out breath, breathing in pure, relaxing air, and breathing out anything in your muscles that you need to let go of, allowing the muscles to soften. And now, taking a moment to rest in this space, notice any sensations. Perhaps the warm feeling has been spreading further and into your shoulders. And you may take a moment now to focus entirely on the breath, just following the movement of your chest, feeling at one with this moment, not needing to do anything. And now, as you rest here for just a moment, I would like to talk about some things that are relaxing and comfortable to you. Because over the course of the next few weeks, you will notice that sleep is becoming a way for you to release your worries, a way for your body to deeply relax, and that you will find yourself waking up in the morning feeling refreshed and relaxed. You might even notice that the muscles around your jaw, your eyes, and your face begin to feel softer as you embody a connection to the present, a present in which you deeply understand that you are able to meet any challenges. So your faith in yourself becomes stronger. You can trust yourself, your unconscious mind, to allow your body to relax fully during the night. You might even find yourself looking forward to sleeping each night, in anticipation of starting each new day with renewed confidence. And every day your nerves are feeling stronger and steadier. You are able to think more clearly because your mind is more calm, more composed, giving you the space to respond to every moment as it happens. You are gaining more perspective. You can see yourself more clearly. And because you are giving yourself compassion, you can see your relationships with others more clearly too, becoming more compassionate in your thoughts to yourself and to the people around you. And this space allows you to feel more relaxed every day, and more confident too. Confident in your ability to perform the skills you have learned, confident in your ability to identify the things you need to learn about, with a newfound ability to accept what is, and to feel safe in yourself, to depend upon yourself. And because all of these things will begin to happen, just as I say they are going to happen, more and more rapidly, more powerfully, and more completely, you will feel more optimistic, happier, and more content in every way. And this will allow you to depend upon yourself and give you the confidence to take action, to create the life you want for yourself, to become the best version of yourself. And now I'm going to wake you in a few seconds' time. You will hear me count up from 1 to 10. And as I count up from 1 to 10, you will feel gradually more awake. You will slowly wake up, and at the count of 8 you will open your eyes, and at the count of 10 you will be fully wide awake. You will wake up feeling good, with a feeling of well-being all over, alert and in the present, and with every normal, healthy and appropriate part of you being back here with me in the present, and all healthy, normal and appropriate sensations will return to all parts of your body. So, ready. 1, 2, 3, waking up. 4, 5, 6, more aware, more alert. 7, 8, open your eyes. 9, 10, fully aware, fully present, fully wide awake.